In front of me is Black Shark Pad 7, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for remove option to show. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it and let go. As you can see, after a few seconds, mine was successfully deleted. If you ever want to restore it though, just hold your display and hit widgets. Then look for Google app by scrolling down, tap on it, scroll again, hold Google search bar and place it wherever you want to. To resize it, hold one of its sides and drag it. Then tap on your screen. Like that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!